Did you know that a single sting from a bullet ant is said to be as painful as being shot? Let's dive into the world of the bullet ant, also known as Paraponera clavata. This remarkable creature calls the rainforests of Central and South America home, but it's not its habitat that's made it infamous. It's the bullet ant's shocking secret, a sting that has been ranked among the most painful of all insect stings. The bullet ant doesn't just pack a punch, it packs a wallop that leaves even the bravest adventurers reeling. This pain measurement isn't just hearsay, it's scientifically verified through the Schmidt Pain Index, an entomological scale that puts the bullet ant sting right at the top. This tiny insect can deliver a world of hurt that's unforgettable for anyone unlucky enough to cross its path. The pain from a bullet ant sting is so intense it's been compared to walking over flaming charcoal with a 3-inch rusty nail in your heel. What makes a bullet ant sting so painful? This is not just idle curiosity, but a question that leads us into a fascinating exploration of nature's very own biological weaponry. The bullet ant, or Paraponera clavata, carries a potent venom that is unique in the insect world. This venom is called ponerotoxin, a powerful neurotoxic peptide. Now, what's interesting about ponerotoxin is how it interacts with our nervous system. You see, our body functions thanks to a complex network of nerves that transmit signals using electrical impulses. These impulses are critical for everything from moving your fingers to feeling the warmth of a sunny day. Ponerotoxin, however, throws a wrench in this finely tuned system. It blocks the normal transmission of these impulses, leading to a malfunction in the nervous system, and that's where the pain comes in. The symptoms of a bullet ant sting are unlike any other insect sting. Imagine waves of burning, throbbing, all-consuming pain. This isn't just a brief flash of discomfort, no, this is a relentless onslaught that continues unabated for up to 24 hours. Some have likened this pain to walking over flaming charcoal with a 3-inch nail embedded in your heel. Others describe it as a sensation of being shot, hence the name bullet ant. This kind of pain is not easily forgotten, and it's a testament to the power of nature's chemical arsenal. But it's not just the pain that marks the sting of a bullet ant as extraordinary. The venom also triggers other symptoms such as fever, vomiting, and inflammation. In severe cases, it can even cause cardiac irregularities and paralysis. So, the next time you marvel at the beauty and intricacy of nature, spare a thought for the humble bullet ant. This tiny creature, no larger than a paperclip, carries in its sting a complex cocktail of chemicals capable of causing intense pain and discomfort. The effects of a bullet ant sting are not just immediate, they're long-lasting, with pain persisting for hours. So remember, while the world of insects is fascinating, it also packs a punch that is best appreciated from a distance. So you've been stung by a bullet ant. What now? First and foremost, don't panic. Yes, the sting of a bullet ant is said to be as painful as being shot, hence the name. But remember, unless you're allergic, it's usually not life-threatening. That being said, the pain is intense and immediate treatment is necessary to manage it. Your first step should be to wash the sting area with soap and water. This will help to clean the wound and prevent any potential infections. Soap also helps to neutralize some of the venom's components, reducing the severity of the symptoms. Next, you'll want to apply a cold compress to the area. The cold can help to numb the pain and reduce swelling. You can use an ice pack or a bag of frozen vegetables. Just make sure to wrap it in a cloth before applying it to your skin. Apply the cold compress for 15 minutes, then remove it for 15 minutes. Repeat this process as needed. Over-the-counter pain medication like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can also help to manage the pain. These medications won't neutralize the venom, but they can make the pain more bearable. Just make sure to follow the dosing instructions on the bottle. If you're in a remote location, far from medical help, you might want to consider using a venom extraction kit. These kits use suction to draw venom out of the wound. However, they're not a replacement for proper medical attention, so seek help as soon as you can. Lastly, keep in mind that while the sting of a bullet ant is incredibly painful, the pain won't last forever. Most people report that the worst of the pain subsides after about 24 hours. Until then, try to stay calm, keep the area clean, apply cold compresses, and take pain medication as needed. While the sting of a bullet ant is incredibly painful, rest assured that with the right treatment, the pain is manageable. Bullet ants aren't just about painful stings, they have an intriguing life in the wild too. These tiny powerhouses of the insect world are native to the rainforests of Central and South America, where they live in large colonies. Imagine a society of thousands of these ants, each playing a unique role, all working together in harmony, just like a well-oiled machine. The queen, the workers, the soldiers, each has a distinct job to ensure the survival and prosperity of their colony. Their diet is quite varied, including nectar, small arthropods, and even the occasional small vertebrate. They are foragers, bravely venturing out of the safety of their nest to search for food, navigating the complex jungle floor with their keen senses. They communicate using a sophisticated system of chemical signals, allowing them to coordinate their efforts and warn each other of danger. The social structure of bullet ant colonies is fascinating. Unlike the solitary life of some insects, bullet ants are eusocial, living in groups with a division of labor based on differences in fertility. The queen is the only fertile female, and her sole purpose is to lay eggs. Worker ants, on the other hand, are the backbone of the colony. They are responsible for foraging, maintaining the nest, and caring for the young. Soldier ants, the largest in the colony, defend the nest from intruders with their formidable stingers. Bullet ants also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They act as natural pest controllers, hunting down insects that can harm the rainforest's flora. Their foraging activities also help in the distribution of seeds, aiding in the growth and survival of many plant species. Despite their reputation for causing intense pain, bullet ants have a unique and complex society that is essential to the health of the rainforest. They're a vital part of the ecosystem, contributing to its diversity and stability. The bullet ant is not just a creature of fear, but also a creature of fascination. How can we coexist with the bullet ant without getting stung? Living in harmony with the bullet ant, or any creature, starts with respect and understanding. Despite their notorious sting, bullet ants play a vital role in our ecosystem, contributing to the natural balance of our planet. Now you may wonder, how do we coexist with these creatures without falling prey to their infamous sting? The answer lies in taking necessary precautions and respecting their space. Firstly, awareness is key. If you're venturing into areas where bullet ants are known to reside, educate yourself about their behavior and habitats. These ants typically live in humid, lowland rainforests, and they prefer to nest at the base of trees. So when you're in such environments, be vigilant. Secondly, avoid disturbing their habitat. These ants are not aggressive by nature. They only attack when they feel threatened or their nest is disturbed. So if you see a bullet ant or its nest, maintain a safe distance. Thirdly, consider protective clothing. If you're in an area densely populated with bullet ants, wearing boots and long pants can provide an extra layer of protection against accidental stings. Gloves can be helpful too, especially if you're handling vegetation or exploring close to their nesting grounds. But most importantly, foster a mindset of respect. These ants, like all creatures, have a right to their existence. They are not out to get us, they are simply living their lives. Their painful sting is not a weapon of assault, but a means of defense. So let's shift our perspective from fearing these creatures to respecting their role in the ecosystem. Let's acknowledge their existence, take necessary precautions, and appreciate the diversity of life on our planet. Remember, the bullet ant is a part of our ecosystem. Let's learn to live with it, not fear it. The bullet ant, a creature of pain and fascination. We've journeyed through its world, peeling back the layers on this enigmatic insect. We've explored its potent venom, a substance so powerful it can send a grown adult into shock, and dissected the mechanics of its infamous sting. A prick so painful it's likened to being shot. We've navigated the treatment options for such a sting, a process as intricate as it is crucial. We've also admired the bullet ant in its natural habitat, a creature that not only survives but thrives in the harsh conditions of the rainforest. And we've learned about coexisting with the bullet ant, a testament to the delicate balance of nature. All these aspects paint a vivid picture of an organism that's as fascinating as it is formidable. So, I encourage you to learn more about the bullet ant and the myriad other creatures that populate our world. So next time you're in the rainforest, keep an eye out for the bullet ant. It's a creature that commands respect and a little caution.